Dr. Natalia Serrano. I am wonderful. How are you today?
Good, thank you.
Well, I want to thank you for joining me on the Valder Beebe Show live out of Dallas, Texas, and talking about the back pain that nearly 65 million Americans suffer each day. Those numbers are startling, Dr. Serrano.
Yes. Hi, thank you for having me. So as a Bayer Medical Affairs employee, this study is very interesting. It examined over 300 trials of non-surgical, non-interventional treatment options for the relief of low back pain, and it found that amongst the few that were found to be successful and effective for relieving acute low back pain are NSAIDs. NSAIDs stand for non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, and they're the types of active ingredients found in products such as Bayer aspirin and Bayer Aleve. This study reaffirms the role of NSAIDs as a science-backed option, underscoring their value as part of non-opioid first-line care treatment for low back pain. And it's reassuring to have these treatment options like NSAIDs that are validated by these rigorous, robust, placebo-controlled scientific studies.
Now, when you say low back pain, we're talking about acute back pain, and if so, what is acute back pain?
Yes, acute back pain. So acute pain is a type of pain that's short-term. It appears suddenly, and it does not last for more than 6 months. And it is usually the result of illness, surgery, or injury. And it's essentially your body's way of raising its hand and saying, hey, there's something wrong here.
What application, is there any way to alleviate back pain?
Yes, so it's all about, there's different lifestyle strategies, eating healthy, sleeping well, sleeping on a supported mattress, keeping hydrated. All of these strategies will help manage your low back pain.
When we're saying people are having low back pain, they're going to the doctor. Are they getting diagnosed properly most times?
Well, we want to encourage people to feel empowered to have these conversations with their healthcare providers about their back pain, about the different treatment options like NSAIDs that are accessible, they're non-interventional, they're non-surgical, they're evidence-based, and they may be an option to help you relieve your acute low back pain.
Talking about Bayer aspirin, what is the magic formula of Bayer or something like Aleve that works? It really works on so many different things.
Yes, it works. There's different indications, and this study really reaffirms the relief that Bayer Aleve provides for acute low back pain.
Online, can people educate themselves to find out more information?
They can, but our advice, we strongly recommend that people go to their healthcare providers and seek medical advice about the different treatment options for addressing their low back pain.
Thank you so much, Doctor.
Thank you.
My doctor told me to stay off the internet anyway. I want to thank you for stopping by the Valder Beebe Show. Thank you. Hi, I'm Valder Beebe, host of the Valder Beebe Show. We have over 1,000 videos on ValderBeebeShow.com and YouTube.com/ValderBeebeShow. We upload new videos daily. Our site is a modern baby boomer platform with news and information important to boomers. Subscribe to YouTube.com/ValderBeebeShow and stay connected as I interview the world's most fascinating people.